Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how I create my YouTube videos. There are four tools that I use to create my YouTube videos. These are the tools: Zoom, Descript, Castmagic, and Tubebuddy. I'm going to talk about each of them and how I use it to help me to create a very good video and also increase my views and my subscribers. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section and I'll be happy to address them for you. So let's go to Zoom. This is very simple. So if you have a Zoom account, you can just record your videos. As you can see, I'm recording my screen and also you can see me on the right side. So you just record the information. Normally you have two options. You can record it on your computer or you can record it in the cloud. I like to record it on my computer so that I can just easily get access to in terms of transcribing and also editing. When I finish recording, this is what I get. So I get the audio and the video. What I focus on is the video. So I double click and make sure that the sound is good. How I create my video, right, my YouTube videos, how do I create them? So I'm going to show you how I create my videos. So you can see that I'm repeating myself. And so this is where the editing comes in, right? So as you can see here, I have my video. So the next step that you have to do is to go to Descript and then upload the video and you do the editing. So the good thing about Descript is that it does two main things. It transcribes the video for you, and then you can edit the video as you are editing the transcript. So as you're going through the transcript and editing the transcript, the system is automatically editing the videos. It doesn't take a long time for you to finish the editing. So that's what I like about Descript. And then you can also create short videos after that. And I'm going to show you how to create short videos. You can take parts of the videos, break them down and create short videos for YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and also TikTok is so powerful tool that you can use and get a lot out of it. Let me go to the script and then show you how I do it. And if you want more information, a detailed demonstration about how to use this script, I have done a video on that. You can click here and get access to the long version of the Descript. But let's go to the script. When you go to the script, you have your project. So if you want to create a new project. So what you have to do is you click on new here and then video project. So here you can drag and drop your video so that it can transcribe and then you can start editing. So what I will do is, so let me look for one of my videos. I did a video on literature review using a Vivo. So I just drag and then drop them here. And now it asks me whether I want to transcribe. So I just click on transcribe and then it's analyzing. And it will take some time for it to transcribe. So as you can see here, the system has transcribed my video for me. So what I have to just go through is to listen and also watch the video and make the necessary corrections. Can you use in Vivo to analyze your so can you use in Vivo to conduct your literature review? So you see that at the beginning, I was making a lot of mistakes, so you can easily delete the first part, right? And then when you delete, you can see here that it also automatically edits the video for you. So when you start, it will start from the place that and then you see that the system spelled in vivo wrong. So you can click on that and select, and then you can go to correct. Whenever you select, it gives you options. So you just correct the spelling of in vivo. So you can easily collect information here. The dot here is like a pause. So if you don't like the pause, you delete the dot. And you can take all the filler words and also the space if you want to. So you can easily go through and make the necessary changes. I was able to generate topics based on the article that I uploaded into InVivo. And as you can see here, so InVivo was spelled wrong, so you can easily select and then you can correct that. So this is how you're going to do it. You go through and select and make the necessary correction. If you don't want any filler word, you just take them out. Sometimes you have to listen to it first before you take them out. So you can see here that there's a space here, right? So if you don't like the space or if you want to reduce the space, you can just take that space out, or a pause, right? And then if you want to show the timeline, so you can click on this one, everything is shown here. You can even edit stuff from here. If you don't want this one, you can easily edit, select, and then delete. So there are two options. You can edit stuff here or this place. If you want to change the project name, you can click on rename and then put a new name there. So there are many options for you. So that's what I do. I go to edit, and as you are editing, the video is being edited. And then when you finish, you'll be able to publish, go to publish, and then export. You can export the video, as you can see here, and you can also export the transcript or the subtitles. For YouTube, I use the subtitles. So I export the subtitles, and then I'll be able to upload that information on YouTube. So that's how I do it. So let me show you the final product. I've already done one. So I go back to my project and I have it here. I think this is the one. As you can see here, I've already drew and edited it, and this is what the final product looks like. Is now 16 minutes length of video. There's also an option. It sometimes depends on the plan that you have. You can allow the system to automatically take off all the filler words like and other filler words that is in there, or shorten the pause, right? You can do that. For me personally, I don't want to do that because sometimes I lose some information. So I just go through manually and listen and then make some changes. So you can apply some of the options and see which one that works best for you, right? So that's how I do it. So another thing I want to show you that in case you want to get short videos out of this, how do you do that? It's very simple. Let's say I want to create a short video. I select the part that I want and then you copy. And what you have to do is that you have to go back to project so that you can see new thing there. You can click on video and then you can paste. If you want to paste, you click here, you paste the transcript, but it will come with the video. Now, if you want to create a short, what you could do is that you can go to this place. Instead of landscape, you can make it a portrait so that it will fit the frame of YouTube shot, right? Then you can go to template and then you choose audiogram and it gives you some options. I like this third option here. So I click on that, it will show here. And what you're going to do is that you can bring the subtitle or the transcript here. You can take the logo off and then you can go to text. I like the second option, the subtitle, and then I can change the color to black or maybe blue. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna move the text up there. Sometimes it's difficult to move up, but what I do is I move this one first and move the part up, and then I can type what the video is about. So conducting literature review with in vivo. You can see that I brought this one here. The video is in the middle and also the subtitles and you can make this one center, the subtitles to be center. You can also reduce if you think that's too big, the words are too big. What you could do is to go to this place, write a font, right? And then you can decrease it to maybe 100 or 80 based on how you like it. Sometimes my thing is I prefer it to occupy most of the space, so I can make it 120. And I click on enter. And here too, you can change the colors if you want, right? You can go here, you can change the animation, so plus animation, you can spin it. It's many things that you can do, right? I haven't tried some of them, but if you want to change the color, you can easily go and change the colors for this part. So let's say I want to change the highlight color to maybe a light blue. You see how it's changed. Or you want to change it to black. You can change it that way. So let's change it to light blue. And then you click outside. So when you play back, based on the article that are uploaded into in vivo. And as you can see here, there's a list of articles I uploaded. When you go to code, you have all the codes based on the questions I want to find answers to or the topics I want to look into based on the articles that I have. So the good thing about this one is see how you can create short videos based on the main videos and then put it in the portrait form so that you can upload it as a YouTube shorts, you can upload it as TikTok videos and also Facebook Reel. It's so easy for you to do that. After that, you can export the video, go to publish and click on export. And then make sure that you select video and then you can export and save it and then you can use it. So this is how you could use Descript to edit your transcript at the same time the video and also create short videos based on how you want it to be. Instead of portrait, you can also make it a landscape, right? Landscape, I make the words small. So I go here and I make it maybe 60 and then bring it down a little bit. Yes, I have a landscape now. Article that are uploaded into in vivo. And as you can see here, there's a list of articles I uploaded. When you go to code, you have all the codes based on the questions I want. You can make even a square and you can go to advanced and then determine the shape, the frame that you want to put it, right? You can create any kind of frame that you want based on where you want to post your video. So now that we are done with this one, let's go to the software. The next one is Castmagic. I really love Castmagic. It's quite similar to Descript in terms of transcribing. So you can upload your videos for the system to transcribe it for you. But it does something so unique. Supported by AI, it can create some content for you based on the video. You can create a LinkedIn post, you can create Twitter or X post, you can create any kind of post, you can create a newsletter based on your video. So it helps you to make a very good use of the content of the audio or the video that you have. I'm going to show you how I do mine so that you can understand how it's done. So let's go to Castmagic. I've opened my Castmagic. I have it here. As you can see, it's very simple to navigate. Think about it like a space. You can create a space and bring all the audios that you have or the videos, and the system can help you to create content based on the audio or the video that you have. If you want to create a new space, you can click on new, right? And then follow the directions and you'll be able to create a new space. So here you can see that this is my space. I have, when I click on recording, I have my recording here. So I uploaded this one into the system. When we click on it, you can see here that the system has transcribed everything for you. You can listen to it by clicking here. What type of research are you planning to conduct? Are you planning to do action research, program evaluation, or traditional research? In this presentation, I'm going to give you the difference between the three main types of research. I'm hoping this one will be very helpful for you in terms. So you see how it has transcribed for me. I can also make changes to the transcript. If there's a spelling errors, I can make the change. It has also put them into various sections for me. The good thing about this one is using the AI system to create content. So if you click on AI content, you see how the system has suggested title for you based on the video. So you can choose one of the titles for you to use it. You can click on modify if you want the system to modify the titles for you. So you see, based on the video, it has suggested about 9 or so titles for me. Let me scroll down here. Also, it has given YouTube description. So you see how easy the process is, right? You don't have to be worried about describing or writing a description. The system has already created some for you. You can modify, you can tell the system, make it longer, make it shorter, or more casual, right? And then you can copy the content and just use it. It has also created a timestamp overview for you. So you can also use that if you want. You can modify. It has also suggested hooks for you. That's powerful. So you can see that it has suggested some hooks that you could use for your videos. And then there's newsletter based on the video. It can create a newsletter for you. You can modify it if you want. You can make it longer, shorter, regenerate, and also key topics based on the video. So if you're a content creator, this software is a game changer. It reduces the time that you have to create content based on your video to promote your videos. So there's a lot of things that you can gain out of it. Another cool thing is that when you go to Magic Chat, this is where if you want to ask the system questions based on your video so that you can create a content, you can do that. So you can go to Chat Magic and they already populated things that you can try it out. Like based on the video, what are the 10 lessons that was covered? So you can click on this one and the system will generate those lessons for us. So it will take some seconds to do that. So you see how the system has generated some lessons based on the video. So we can create 3 fun facts about a video. It can create a blog post for you, create themes for you. You can do a lot of things. You can ask the system a question for you to get some answers. So you see here, ask me anything about this recording, right? So you can ask, what are the key based on this recording? So you see the system have provided me the key facts based on the recording. Can you summarize the recording for me? If you want a summary, after that, you click on generate, and then you'll be able to get what you want. This is a summary of that. Apart from all these suggested prompts, you can ask your own question. And if you want to get more prompts, you can go to community prompt. People share their prompt that you could use. So you can explore and see which one that will be very useful for you so that you can use. Another thing that really takes a lot of my time is that sometimes with my YouTube video, I want to create chapters, right? So that, you can move from one topic to another without waiting and not knowing how to skip. Maybe they want to skip a topic and go to the next one. Creating chapters will be great. Let me show you. Let me go to my YouTube and show you what I mean by that. I have 7,288 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube video, please do and support me and support my work. And I'll be happy to continue to give you quality information. You can also ask me questions. You can ask me to do some videos for you. That will be helpful for you and also my viewers. Yes, I'll be happy to do that. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can also share my videos. That will be very helpful. So let's go to my channel. I'm going to show you what the chapter looks like. So when you go down here to the description, so you see these things that I have here. This one is very helpful. If let's say the person want to skip the first information, they can easily go to it because the video have been divided into chapters, right? So you can see that I can just go to a different chapter, right? Without wasting time. Or let's say you want to come back to the video and want to only look at one aspect, you can easily go. And the good thing is that Castmagic can do it for you. You know what you have to do? You can tell the system that look at the video, can you create chapters for me? And then you give the customer an example of it. Because when you give an AI an example, it will be able to do that for you. So let's try this one out. We can copy this one and then go back to one of our videos. And let's see, let's go to my videos. Let's try this one, developing custom GPT. This is one of my videos. And what I would do is I go to Magic Chat, and now I'm going to chat with the system. I can say that, can you create chapters based on this video? The system might not understand what you mean, so providing an example will be great. For example, and then you paste the one I copied right here so that the system will understand. So, and then click on generate. So you see the system has created chapters for you. You can see this one, the first chapter, the second one, and the third. What we can do, we can even copy that and see whether it will work. So I've copied that. And let's go and see whether it will work. Let me go back to, this is a custom one, the video that I already posted. And then go to edit. I've already posted one here, but I just want to see whether this one will work. Let me put this one here first. There's a lot of information here, that's why it's red. I just need the chapter names. I don't need this information. So I can delete this one so that it should not be too much. Then click on save. Now that I have saved, let's go to the video and see whether we have that chapter. It's working. So you see how when it's blue, it means that it's working. So, and then you can see that the chapters are there, right? Perfect. So if you want to get access to Castmagic, you can go to my description section. I put a link there, an affiliate link, and you can click on it and get access to it, right? So that will be very helpful. So the next one that I want to talk about is the last one, which I just discovered. That is Tubebuddy. After you have done your video, you want people to view the video. You want people to subscribe to your channel. Think about this one is like the YouTube analytics, but this one is more information that will help you to make informed choices, develop a strategy to increase your views and your subscribers. So let's say you have a video and then the system can suggest a title that will optimize your YouTube views. It can also give you the keywords that you can use. You can test your thumbnail to see whether it will get visibility in terms of people clicking on it and also viewing your videos. I just started using it. It's helping me to gain a lot of subscribers and also a lot of views. You can try it and then use it and see how it's going to help. But it has been so helpful for me. So this is also the tool that I'm continuing to explore and helping me to make informed choices. It can also compare your videos to other similar videos and see how your video is performing. So it's a very powerful tool that you could use. And if you want to get access to the Tubebuddy, I have a link in my description. You can get access to it and then try it out. Before I end my presentation, I want to talk about my custom GPT. So I've created custom GPTs that will be helpful, especially if you are doing research. You can try, if you have GPT Plus, you can use some of my custom GPTs to help you to do your research. I'm going to put these links at my description so that you can get access to those links. These are the books that I have written. So one is if you want to learn more about how to analyze your qualitative data, this book is going to be very useful for you. If you are doing a phenomenological study and you want to get basic understanding of phenomenology, this book will be very useful for you. And the last one is if you are working on your dissertation and you want a step-by-step guide, this book will be so helpful. If you're a professor and you are teaching a research method or dissertation, you can get our book for free by clicking on this link. I'll try and put the PowerPoint in the description so that you can download and then click on the links. If you want a consultation with me, you can contact me. My email address is info@drphilipedu.com so that I can meet you and provide you all the needed support to do your qualitative research or use any software related to research or any AI tools that you are interested in. I'll be happy to provide you that information. You can also invite me to your organization for me to provide you a workshop to help your colleagues to learn more about the AI tools that are available that can be useful as they do their work. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this presentation was very helpful for you. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to address them for you. Thank you.